was written by...
Miriam, Mila, Joel, Sophie. And this is our story.
And it's called The Balloon Birds.
Hi, we're part of a huge group of 11 Energized Balloon Birds. Pop! We're part of a group of 10 Energized Balloon Birds.
Oh, and we're going to a party, an animal balloon party in Needle City.
The Energized Balloon Birds are in grave danger, but they didn't know it yet.
Well, don't worry, they're just balloon needles.
Yeah, not regular needles.
Except they are regular needles!
Wow, what a cool helium party at this Helium Factory.
Yeah, oh, I wonder when our cherished friends, the balloon birds, will get here.
Right, because there's all-you-can-eat helium. Delicious!
How are we gonna get to the balloon animal party when there's needles everywhere?
They're on the ground and on the buildings and in the swimming pool.
And even at the Helium Factory, what are we gonna do?
We're the animals, and we're gonna break out of the zoo and rescue our Energized Balloon Bird friends.
That's right. Come on, Energized Balloon Birds. Hop into this airplane. Here's $1 trillion, Mr. Airplane Pilot.
We don't care about the cost because our birds are our friends.
Zoom!
Whoa! We totally just flew to a different helium party. We seem to be in a much safer place. I think this might be Alaska.
Look, all the needles are frozen and even shattered into pieces.
Oh, we'll get a weighted blanket and throw it on the shattered needles. That way you balloon birds won't pop.
Oh, what a great party!
You've got to try the helium.
Are the story